They tryna stop me, but I rise to the top, B. Doing it for my mom, fuck my pops, B. Leave him out the picture cause he tryna crop me. And fuck Kevin, they know they tryna copy.
Look, they say go fucking crazy. I swear to God, I'm the father, use the fucking baby. These niggas talking all that stuff, will use the first lady. And if you think you better than me, well, fucking maybe. I swear, the way I kill this shit, none of this freestyling when I spit. I'm the hottest, you niggas need to cool off. Talking all that shit and the picture in the whole pool ball. My dude fucking Jay Lee, when he got out of jail, we was screaming free. Now my fucking dude, back on the blocks, ducking all these hoes, running from the cops, screaming fuck the ops, and he emptying shots. And if you come at us wrong, he leave you with dots. Then use a fucking cheater and use a follower. All these niggas talking while your hoe is a swallower. Girlfriend on me, know they never lonely. Talking all that real shit and I'm strapped out my honey. You bigger than baloney, all you niggas phony. You come at us wrong, B, we'll leave your ass lonely. I'm hungry, I'm eating, niggas know that I'm starving. You claim you the real smart nigga, you retarded. My money boy, I'm ballin', you niggas just started. Talking all that real shit, I'm the hottest to record it. And niggas thought that it was over. These niggas talking all that shit while I kill it sober. I swear to God, the way I'm spitting and the shit ain't broke. These niggas talking all that laughing shit like it's a joke. These niggas saying that they know me, but we never spoke. They tryna use me for my fucking words, they tryna hope. These niggas talking all that shit, but I spit that dope. I swear to God, I'm pulling tug of war, I love the rope. These niggas, they can't stop me. Talking all that shit, well, them dude try to crop me. Talking all that stuff, but I ain't never had a pops be. Doing it for my mama and I'm smiling, proudly.
Yeah. Fuck with us, man. Jay Lee on the track, man. Them 14, man. My dude was tired, man. My dude Deontay, man.
What's wrong with y'all? That's it, man.
Cut it out.